Hello everyone, welcome back to Code Simplifier. In this video, we will be learning about the Spring Security. So Spring Security is very important topic of Spring Boot, and we use Spring Security for authentication and authorization purpose. And for any backend application, we need to ensure our authentication should be full structured and should be a way like it can be not malpracticed by the hacker. So for that, first of all, I am on the start.spring.io from which we can download our Spring Boot application. So I have selected project Gradle. You can sorry, I can select Maven. Okay. After that, you can select language Java and then 4.0.0, the latest version. And I'm adding group as demo because just for demo. And this is what security. Anything you can add there. Okay. So demo project and version 17, 21. Sorry. And here you can add dependencies. So first dependency you need to add is Spring Web. Spring Web is responsible for RESTful applications. Then we have another dependency as we required is Spring Data MongoDB. So for Mongo we are using here Mongo, so we required Spring Data MongoDB. Another one that we required is Spring Security itself. Spring Security. So this is a Spring Security, so which will be providing all the configuration for the security purpose. Then we can generate it. Okay, our our project has been now downloaded. We will unzip this, and I have extracted this project, and I will open with my IntelliJ ID. So as it is open with IntelliJ ID, we will see the file structure and all the things in this. As this is the first video of Spring Security, we will only learn about how the project structure is and how Spring Security is working. And in next video, we will bypass the Spring Security by our manual configuration. So for now, it is automatic. Like if you go to the security application and just run this application, and as I am running this application, so earlier when we not use the Spring Security, what happened, and now with the Spring Security what will happen, we will see that both the things. Okay, now your server is getting started, so I will go to the my server, and here I will add localhost 8080 slash. Okay, just I'm hitting localhost 8080. It is asking me for username and password. That is the beauty of the Spring Security, because Spring Security enabling the automatic security to all the endpoints. That's why it is asking for username and password. And when we do not add any Spring Security dependency, it will not asking you this. So as Spring Security is there, it is providing authentication, but we don't want this type of authentication. We want our authentication so that the user from data or database can access and authenticate. Yeah, for that purpose we will see in the next video how can we bypass that. And for the first, how can we now authenticate here. So for authentication, you will see here we have the password, so just copy the password. And the first time the username will be the user only, so user, and I have entered the password. And when I click on sign in, so it is get started. So this is how you have to be uh, add your default password. For the first time we will bypass this, and we will actually work on the flow of the authentication purpose, where we authenticate using username and password. We will do that in the next video. And for logout, you can go to the logout and just logout. Yeah, so this is what structure is, very simple for up now. In the next video we will create some register and login endpoints from which we can start logging and sign up APIs. So we will create that. We will also connect MongoDB into this project. After connecting MongoDB, we need to create a configuration file, security configuration. How can we create a security configuration? How can we use the different filters? What is filters? That we will see in the next video. Thank you so much for watching.